Hi, I'm Mo, and I've lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months. And the one secret was basically mastering my stress, not just my diet or limiting my exercise. And here at Weight Loss Paradise, we teach you to break the stress fat cycle. And here's how stress can make you gain weight. And here's some 3 simple fixes that can hopefully change your life. Now, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss these videos. Now, are you feeling stressed and you can't lose belly fat no matter what the hell you do? And it's just not in your head. Your body's stress response is wired to store fat. But you guys, you can flip the switch. Now, think of this first. Cortisol equals belly fat storage. When you're stressed, your adrenal glands will flood your bloodstream with cortisol. And it's a hormone that will crank up your appetite, slows muscle breakdown, and it will direct calories into belly fat. Now, the best way to fix this is just to create daily relaxation routines. It's really important. No, it's crazy, but it's really, really important. Even if you just do a deep breathing session, start it at 1 minute a day, 2 minutes a day, a 5-minute stretch, a guided meditation to basically just keep your cortisol in check. Now, the second thing to think about is emotional eating and sugar cravings cause the biggest problems, right? Now, stress hijacks your brain's reward centers and it makes you crave comfort foods, right? Like sweets, chips, pastries, and this that always spikes dopamine. I have the same cycle. It's vicious, don't feel bad, but you eat to feel better and then it stresses you out again and the cycle continues. Now, the best way to fix this is you want to switch out your high sugar snacks for macro balanced bites like a boiled eggs, avocados, or even just like a handful of nuts so you can satisfy some of these cravings without the crash. And on the recipe book that is below, fully free, we use it every day for our home coaching clients. You can find all the recipes that clients are using to lose 5 to 10 pounds in 2 weeks and hell, even up to 20 pounds in 30 days or less. And it's worked every time, so I know it'll work for you. But you do want to start with lowering the ability to have those types of snacks. Now, the third thing is sleep disruption will always, and I hate to say this, will ruin your hunger. Now, stress often means poor sleep. We understand that. And lack of shut eye lowers your leptin, which is your fullness hormone, while basically boosting your ghrelin, which is your hunger hormone. And the result, you wake up ravenous, like hungry, starving. It's terrible, right? Now, the best way to fix this is to do your best to prioritize 7 to 9 hours of consistent screen-free sleep. Now, the way we do it is our clients wind down with a little magnesium tea, especially the ones here at the retreat. Sometimes at home they don't do this, but at the retreat we do it every day, and a 10-minute journaling ritual. It makes it so easy to brain dump how your day went, and it makes it easy for your brain to have good dreams sometimes, or like kind of lead you to the next day. Now, handling stress alone in itself can be tough. And we do completely understand that, especially when you're trying to lose weight. And that is why here at the Weight Loss Paradise, we built this entire system that basically blends these 3 fixes into your daily routine. And we do it with this approach of giving you a low carb, macro based meal plan that is going to stabilize your blood sugar and beat the cravings that you've been struggling with. And we do this through your one-on-one expert coaching, who uses smart tech like a smart scale and a continuous glucose or a keto monitor that will tell us exactly how your body's reacting to the ingredients and the food that you are consuming. And as long as we tailor that to fit everybody's body's need that is completely different, it will always give you the results that you're looking for. I mean, we guarantee 5 to 10 pounds in 2 weeks or even 20 pounds in under 30 days. You're going to sleep better, you're going to stress less, and you're not going to sit here and hate your weight loss journey, because that's what I think it actually makes it difficult. And if you're ready to reclaim your body, look, you guys, book the free consultation below. If you'd like to just enter for our giveaway, because we are still doing 1 free monthly home coaching giveaway and 1 free retreat giveaway every time we do a retreat. It's been a lot of fun. I love watching the people that win and just like how motivated and happy they are. And they tend to have the best results. I love it. So to enter for the giveaway, there is the link below. All you need to do is just fill out your information and don't be afraid to tell us your story, but we'll cover everything you need to get you started on your weight loss journey so you can hopefully change your life just like we did, just like hundreds of our clients are doing today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on your weight loss journey.